In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view reporting analytics for Playbooks in HubSpot. If you rely on Playbooks to guide calls, discovery, or handoffs, the analytics area is where you confirm what's being used and how often, so you can coach your team and refine content. Start by opening your browser, going to Google, and typing HubSpot. Click through to the HubSpot site and sign into your account. Once you're in, move your cursor over the left sidebar to reveal the main navigation and locate the CRM section. From there, choose Playbooks to open your library. If you don't see Playbooks, your user permissions or subscription may not include it, so check with your administrator. Inside Playbooks, look for the Analyze tab and select it. This is your main reporting hub for Playbooks. At the top, you'll find a quick snapshot of activity. You'll see the total number of Playbooks you have, the total views across your account, and the count of active users who are actually using them. Think of this as a pulse check. How much content exists, how often it's being opened, and whether your team is engaging with it. Next, explore team adoption by clicking User Data in the top right. This view shows which users are using Playbooks and how many times each person has viewed or logged them. It's a straightforward way to identify champions who use Playbooks consistently and teammates who may need guidance or training. Use this data to celebrate wins and to target enablement where it will make the biggest difference. In the middle of the Analyze page, you'll see a usage trends line graph. This chart tracks total Playbook usage over time, so you can spot spikes during campaigns or dips that might signal a need to refresh content. You can adjust what the graph measures by changing the metric type, and you can change the frequency to daily, weekly, or another interval to smooth out noise or zoom into short-term changes. Looking at a longer window helps you see seasonality, while shorter views help you evaluate recent rollouts. That's it. By navigating to Playbooks and opening the Analyze tab, you'll have a clear view of top-level metrics, user adoption, and usage trends. Use these insights to keep your Playbooks relevant and your team aligned, and revisit this dashboard regularly to track progress over time.